Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this approved used Volkswagen Golf. This is the 1.4 litre petrol R-Line Edition Act and it's finished in the stunning deep black pearlescent paint. You can see you've got your lovely R-Line badging and you've got the 18-inch Marseille alloy wheels. Give it a really sporty look. You've also got your rear tinted windows and it is a 3-door, so you've got your easy slide seats to access the rear 3. Round to the back, you can see you've got the rear parking sensors on your bumper there. You have also got front parking sensors too. And inside the boot you can see there's tons of space in there, so you've definitely got enough room for all your things. So I'll open up the passenger side and I'll show you the space that you have in the back. So you can see it is a quite spacious car. You've got your 3 rear seats as well, and there is plenty of room in there, so this would be fine as a smaller family car. You've got the lovely Titan Black R-Line cloth. So we'll get inside the car and I'll show you some of the features it has on the inside. So inside you've got your touchscreen display. You have got your sat-nav system built in. It's really clear and easy to use and it's a really good size screen as well. You've also got your DAB radio for all your music needs. Another great thing is the driving mode selection, so you can change the mode depending on how you want the car to feel. And you've also got your front and rear parking sensors. They are audible and visual, so you can see them on the screen as well. Underneath you've got your climate control. You have also got your handy little storage under there. And the car is manual. You've also got your electronic parking brake with auto hold and your handy 2 cup holders too. You've got the lovely grey insert on the dash and the door, gives it a really sporty look, and a really cool feature is the electric panoramic sunroof. You just pull the toggle back to open and it lets loads of light into the car. It's perfect on a lovely sunny day. And then to close you just pull forward and it closes really quickly. You've also got your manual sun blind to take the edge off. So I'll just give you a close-up of your R-Line cloth. You have got the R-Line emboss on there as well, and it's really comfortable. Onto your steering wheel, you have got adaptive cruise control with front assist, so it's perfect for those long motorway drives, and it's only covered just over 18,500 miles from new, so it is a low mileage car for its age. You've also got your automatic lights and you've got heated door mirrors to reduce all the frost and condensation on those chilly mornings. So I really hope you like the car. If you are interested or you have any questions, please just give us a call. Thank you.